How to play Powerwash Simulator Split Screen PS5. Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to play Powerwash Simulator in online co-op mode on your PlayStation 5. If you were looking for a split screen, I'll explain what's possible and show you step by step on how to invite your friends and clean together. Step 1. Launch the game. Start by launching Powerwash Simulator from your PS5 home screen. Step 2. Go to Multiplayer menu. Once you're in the main menu, scroll down and select Multiplayer. This is where you can either host or join a session. Step 3. Choose the game mode. If you're playing career mode, you can invite one friend to help you clean your jobs. If you want to play with more people, choose Free Play, Specials, or Challenge mode, where you can invite up to 6 players total. Step 4. Host or join a game. To host a game, choose your mode. Then select the host game. After that, press the Options button, go to your friends list and invite your friend. To join a game, your friend needs to send you an invite. Just accept it and you're on. Extra tip: Crossplay. This also works with friends on your Xbox and PC. So don't worry if you're not all on the same platform. No split screen. And just to clarify, Powerwash Simulator doesn't support split screen or local co-op on PS5. All multiplayer is done online only. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Powerwash Simulator online co-op on PS5. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and follow for more quick games guides. See you in the next one, and happy watching!